Actually, yesterday around 9:30 p.m. in the evening, New Jabin South, to be specific, Koforidua Township, recorded severe rainstorm, and we realized in the morning when NADMO went around to conduct assessments, we realized quite a number of private and public places have been affected. When you come to public places, we have about 4 basic schools in the municipality, of which some of its roofs either partially or fully ripped off. Quite apart from that, there are a number of trees that has been uprooted, blocking road access in some parts within the municipality. So this morning we've been to Kolinkwanta, we've been to Galloway, and now we are here. This area is called Crew Town to be specific. Quite a number of private and public places have been affected. Behind us, we are removing some of the fallen trees. So you are here, you've seen NADMO on the ground. We are undertaking assessment of general properties that has been affected. Fortunately for us, there hasn't been any casualty.